welcome to my channel. Yes, I forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing an intro now. You guys, it's gonna be an awesome week at Walgreens. There's a lot of freebies, there's some money makers, and there's definitely a lot of Ibotta deals. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I went through in the store. Now, I did show you more deals in the store with my little breakdowns than I did at my final thing. So you guys definitely wanna watch that. And then at the end of this video, I'll go through everything and share with you guys everything that I got, any problems that I had. But let's go shopping and see what I did. So we're gonna do this deal. We're gonna do the Revlon Candid eye concealer for $9.99. It is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. Then we're also gonna do the, I have it in my cart, but we're gonna do the Almay concealer. That's $9.49. So this will be the 50% off. Then there is a digital coupon for $9 off of 2 for Revlon and Almay, and you can mix and match it. So you'll end up paying $5.73. Do not pay with points with this. Then you can submit your receipt for a $3 rebate with Revlon and a $3 rebate with Almay. And you'll get a $4 register reward when you spend $12 or more. Comes out to be a $4.26 moneymaker. So we're gonna do the Dial body wash. They're currently on sale too for $8, and then we're gonna mix it with another deal. But you wanna end up using a $2 off a 2 digital coupon, plus we will submit our receipts for a 50-cent rebate times 2. So let's go finish this deal. Then you wanna get a Crest toothpaste that is $3, and we are gonna use the $1 off insert coupon. There might be a digital, but you'll end up paying $8 for all 3 items. Then you're gonna submit your receipt for $2.50. You'll get $1 back with Ibotta, and you'll get the $5 register reward, making them just $2 for 3 items. So the next deal you can do is you can do the Oral-B toothbrushes, you can do the $3 off Oral-B toothpaste, and then we have the mouthwash. But I currently have 3 digital coupons. I have a 3 off of 2, a 2 off of 2, and a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Now you can use a 3 off of 2 and then a $1 insert coupon if you want, but I'm gonna do the 4 off of 3. So you're gonna end up paying just $5 for 3 items. Then you'll get a $5 register reward, making all 3 items free. Here's the deal if you guys need to do it, but we have the Colgate Toothpaste for $3.99. I currently have a $1.50 off digital coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. You end up using both of those digital coupons, you'll pay $5.48, but then you'll get $4 cash rewards, making it just $1.48. So I would not do this deal unless you guys absolutely need to. So here we have a deal. We have the zebra pens. They are $2.99. There's a couple other ones that are that price, otherwise they all range. But these are currently, according to the app, these are on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You'll end up paying $4.48, but then there is a rebate with Ibotta for $1.50 times 2. So you'll get $3 back with Ibotta, making your final price just $1.48 or 74 cents. And then we also have a deal where they have the Bic Pens. They have this one for $1.99. My store is sold out of the other $1.99. And then they have these really cool markers for $1.99. But we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So you'll end up getting these for just 99 cents or 48 cents a piece. If you guys need some school supplies, they do have some out. My store is still putting some out, but we have like the mini notebooks for 49 cents. And then we also have some folders for 49 cents, and then these little composition books for 49 cents. And then I do know they have some erasers and stuff for $5 for $1, which I am not finding any as of right now, but in case you want to get some of those. Here we have the Tide laundry for $4.99. My store, or my app, does not have any digital coupons. You might have some insert coupons, but you can buy 4 of them. You'll pay $19.96, but then you will get a $6 register reward, which is not showing on the thing, but it ends up becoming $13.96 or just $3.49 each. Here we have the Puffs tissues for $4.99, and we do have a $1 off digital coupon, and then we're going to combine this with another deal. And the deal we're going to combine it with is the Gain. I do have a $2 off digital coupon for this one, and then I also have a $2 off digital coupon for that one. So you're going to buy 3 of those items. You're going to use $5 worth of digital coupons. You'll pay $9.97, but then you'll get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. It comes out to be $4.97 or $1.65, which is a great price. The Pure X is buy one, get one free, so you'll pay $6.49 for 2 of them. That comes out to be $3.25. It's up to you if you want to do that deal. Here we have the all laundry detergent for $3.99. We did get some printables, otherwise there is some digitals for $1.25 off insert or digital coupon. Your final price would just be $2.74 a bottle. Now here's the deal if you guys are interested. We have the Febreze for $4.99. We also have the car things for $4.99. We do have $2 off or buy one get one free insert coupons from the P&G, but it is up to $3. So you want to buy 4 items, 2 of each. You'll end up using both of those coupons. You'll end up paying $13.96, but then you get a $6 register reward when you buy all 4. Comes out to be just $7.96 or $1.99 a piece. We do have this Dawn deal. These are on sale also for $4.99. We do have $1 off digital coupon or $1 off insert coupons from the P&G for the Platinum, but it is a limited 2, so you can end up using 2 of those coupons and then you can mix it match if you want to get the power wash. You'll end up paying $17.96, but you also will be getting that $6 register reward, making all 4 items just $11.96 or $2.99 each. Here we have the Scott's paper towels for $5, and then in the Walgreens booklet, or you guys can clip it to your card, there is a $1.25 digital coupon. So you want to buy 2 of them, you'll end up paying $7.50, but with Fetch Rewards, you'll actually get 1,500 points back when you buy 2, which is equivalent to $1.50. So it comes out to be just $6 or $3 a pack of paper towels. So here we have the Kellogg's cereal deal for $1.88. Now we do have a digital or there is a printable for $5 off of 3. So you want to use that coupon. There also is probably some 50-cent off coupons, however you guys want to do it. But you'll end up paying $6.40. But then there is a few of 40-cent rebates with Ibotta. You can do it however you want to do it, but you end up getting $2 back for 5 of them. So your final total comes to be $4.40 or 88 cents each, plus you guys can get a free book for all 5 books, which is a great deal. The books are a limit of 6 per account, so you might have to, I always use sometimes my father-in-law or my mom's account just to get some free books. Hello everybody, welcome. It was an awesome week at Walgreens. I was like, oh, okay, but it ended up becoming a moneymaker for me. There's a lot of Ibotta deals. If you guys need to do the Weekend Warrior, you definitely want to do that. Sorry, I decided to lose my voice all of a sudden. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is the Gain deal. Okay, so the Gain is on sale for $4.99. We have a $2 off digital coupon for this one, and we have a $2 off digital coupon for this one. So you guys want to buy 2 of the Gain. And then we have the Puffs, which is also $4.99. But then there is a $1 off digital coupon for that deal. So you want to buy those 3 items. You'll end up paying $9.97 for the 3 items. But you guys will get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. So it comes out to be just $4.97 or $1.65 each, which I think is a great deal, especially when you get 3 boxes, and this is stuff that you guys can use for school. I'm gonna roll down my window just a little bit because it's a little hot in here. So we got that going on. Now we're gonna do the cereal deal. Now here we got some cereal. My store only has a couple different flavors. I wish they had more, but it's a bigger store, but they don't have a lot of cereal to choose from. So I ended up getting 1 of the Crave, I got 2 of the Frosted Flakes, and I got 2 of the Fruit Loops. So I got those 5 boxes of cereal. I ended up using a $3 off of 5 printable coupon. There's also a digital coupon if you guys want to do that, but you would pay $6.40, and then there is rebates for 40 cents for the cereals that I got. So I got 40 cents times 5, which is $2. So I got $2 back with Ibotta, making my grand total just $4.40 or just 88 cents a box. And you guys can get a free book. Definitely do this. I've done this for the 3rd or 4th year in a row. It does say it is a limit of 6 per account. It doesn't say it on the back of the box. But usually it's just a limit of 6. It says it all in the thing. but definitely go ahead and do that. Plus you guys can get points to redeem gift cards and all that stuff, so that is a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that easy, not freebie, but that easy deal. Okay, so I ended up doing the Dial bar soap. These were 2 for $8. There is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use, making these $6. But then I also did a Crest toothpaste for $3, and I used a $1 insert coupon. So for this deal, you would pay $8 for this, but then there is 50-cent rebates with Ibotta times 2, so you'll get $1 back with Ibotta, making it just, then you'll get the $5 register reward. Sorry, you guys. $5 register reward, making all 3 items just $2, or you can say you got free toothpaste and you got bars of soap for $1. So I think that is a pretty good deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Now I also did, in a separate transaction, I did the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now I had a couple different ones, but I ended up using a 3 off of, no, what did I use? A 3 off of 3. No, I used a 4 off, I'm sorry, I didn't change it. I used a $4 off of 3 digital coupon. So these were $3. I used that 4 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $5 for this, but then you'll get a $5 register reward, making these absolutely free, so you guys can get some free toothbrushes if you guys need to go ahead and do that. And I forgot to mention, yeah, you get the $5 for the Dial too. Now the register reward did not print for me, so you guys want to definitely make sure you pay attention for this, but sometimes I always have problems with the P&G. So I ended up doing the Febreze deal. Now we do have some buy one get one free coupons for these, but it's up to $3. And the same thing with these. Okay, so you want to buy 4 of these at $4.99. You want to use a buy one get one free coupon for this, up to $3, and a buy one get one free coupon for this, up to $3. So you'll pay $13.96, but then you'll get a $6 register reward, which my register reward did not print off, so she ended up just giving me points for it. So it comes out to be $7.96, or just $1.99 a piece. And I know we have a ton of those Febreze freebie plugins, so if you guys need to go ahead and do that deal, definitely go ahead. Now here is a great moneymaker that you guys need to do right away. It is the Revlon and Almay deal. Now the Revlon was $9.99 and the Almay is $9.49. These are buy one get one 50% off, so this one will go 50% off. There is a 9 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. Do not pay with points for this deal, but you'll end up getting you'll end up paying $5.73 for the both of these, but you'll get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them or spend 12, and you get a $3 Ibotta rebate and a $3 Ibotta rebate, making this a $4.26 moneymaker. You guys will get these both for free and make a profit, but the deal ends soon, so you guys definitely want to go ahead and do that deal. Now here's another Ibotta deal that I just wanted to share with you guys. I know we usually get coupons for these. I don't, but these were $2.99. They were buy one get one 50% off according to the website. Yep, they were buy one get one 50% off at $2.99. So you want to buy both of these and you'll pay $4.48 for the both of these, but there is a $1.50 and a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.48 or 74 cents, which is great because I love colorful clickable pens. I'm just obsessed with colorful clickable pens. And the last deal we got is the Bic Intensity. I don't even know if these are markers or fine tip pens. I don't know. There's 3 different options, but I really thought these would pop out. So these were $1.99 on sale. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll get both of these for just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I usually get a bunch of school supplies and I donate them to the schools. I've done that for the past couple years, and then when Ben's school teacher gives us like a list of school supplies, I always like double it because there are some kids out there that, you know, need that stuff. So that was my haul, you guys. I think I did pretty good. I ended up paying, well, my total came to $45.08. Now keep in mind, I do not pay that price. What I end up using is I use the register rewards, but I take those away when I tell you my total. Now, there's a difference between a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon. The store coupon, you do not have to use it as fillers. You just got to make sure. So I always just use this for every transaction, but is one per transaction. A store coupon is one per transaction. The manufacturer coupons, you can use 5 of them in one transaction if you want, but you just make sure you gotta have filler items. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But I did receive $25 worth of register rewards, including that $6 one that did not print off. So we got that. I got $12.43 for the points. I know I got it for, I don't know what I got it for. I didn't get anything that has cash rewards, but I ended up getting $12.43 for that. And then you get, I ended up getting $12 back with Ibotta. So got $12 back with Ibotta, making a $4.35 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I was pretty excited for. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so I was just doing my math again, and I did mess up. The Febreze deal is a $6 reward points. You don't get the register reward for that. So I just want to give you guys a heads up that I did say it wrong, but I just want to give you a heads up. But I ended up getting everything for $1.65 since I did mention that wrong. So just want to give you guys a heads up, and thanks for watching.